Good morning, students. In the last session, I explained you about the formula method to solve the quadratic equation. And from 2.3, I explain you some question also. Question number first and second, how to solve by the formula. And derivation of formula method means how the formula is derived. Now, just in this some example, I will explain how to solve the quadratic equation by the formula method. So, question number third. Question number third. 3m square plus of 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. So, our third question is 3m square plus of 2m minus 7 is equal to 0. By comparing the above equation with your general form, what you will get the value of ABC. A is 3, B is equal to 2, C is equal to minus of 7. So by substituting the value of B square minus 4AC is equal to 2 square minus 4 into 3 into minus of 7, you will get the B square minus 4AC is 88. What is our formula? M is equal to minus of B plus minus in square root B square minus of 4AC upon 2A. So substitute all the values. What you will get? Minus of 2 plus minus in square root of 88 upon 2 into 3. Minus 2 plus minus 4 into 22. What will come? 2 square root of 22. So minus 2 plus minus 2 in square root of 22 divided by 6. So 2 in bracket minus 1 plus minus in square root of 22 divided by 6. So you will get 1 minus 1 plus square root of 22 divided by 3 and minus 1 minus square root of 22 divided by 3. So these are the root of quadratic equation. Fourth question. 5m square minus of 4m minus of 2 is equal to 0. Comparing with m square plus bm plus c is equal to 0. What you will get? A is equal to 5, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to minus of 2. B square, firstly find out the b square minus of 4ac. B square is minus 4 square minus of 4 into 5 into multiply by minus of 2. You will get the 56. Now this is your b square minus 4ac. What is the formula? How to find out the root? M is equal to minus b plus minus in square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. After substituting the value, what you will get? M is equal to 2 plus minus in square root of 14 divided by 5. And therefore, these are the root of given quadratic equation. So, when in a exam question asks solve the given quadratic equation by formula method, it is compulsory to write the formula, else you will not get the full marks. And do the calculation properly stepwise, because the first steps also, in between steps also, marks are there. Now, y square plus of 13y is equal to 2. This 2 you have to shift this side. What you will get? Equation is 3y square plus of y is equal to 6. Oh, so 3y square plus of y is equal to 6. 3y square plus y, this 6 shifting towards the left side, you will get the equation 3y square plus of y minus 6 is equal to 0. By comparing with the general form, you will get the value of a is 3, b is 1 and c is equal to minus 6. Okay, when you are solving by the completing square method, make a coefficient of y square as a 1. If you are solving by the formula method, directly you can use, because we can put the value of a, b, c in the formula directly. See, what is the formula? Again I am revising, so read, remember. If your plus sign minus sign also wrong, then your answer will come wrong. So y is equal to minus b plus minus in square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus 1 plus minus in square root of 73 upon 2 into 3. So minus 1 plus minus in square root of 73 by 6. So these are the root of given quadratic equation. Now 5x square plus of 13x plus of 8 is equal to 0. Comparing the above equation with x square plus of bx plus c is equal to 0, we get a is equal to 5, b is equal to 13 and c is equal to 8. So b square minus 4ac you have to calculate by substituting the value. After getting the value of b square minus of 4ac, substitute this in the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. After substituting the value, you will get the answer minus of 13 plus minus 3 divided by 10. So these are the root of given quadratic equations. So students, your today's homework is solve the activity from page number 49 and question number 3 from 2.4 and send me up to the session.